Take care.
Hey, have a nice one.
Appreciate it. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Okay, I'm gonna step over here, out of the way. I am at Folk Art, getting me something to eat for breakfast. I hope y'all are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. It is absolutely beautiful out here. Just taking a few minutes to say hello. Y'all are tuning in with Twana Yvette. Thank you for tuning in. I'm not gonna keep y'all. I just wanted to just do a quick little snippet of just a reminder to enjoy your life. It is so beautiful. God is a true blessing to us all. Just get out, go enjoy, grab you some breakfast. Like I said, Folk Art, they are just super yummy. If you've ever been, you want me to unlock it? You good? Okay. Okay. Just in case. And like I said, they it's called Folk, Folk Art, ART, in Atlanta. They are absolutely yummy. What's the other one in the Vinings? Another broken egg. OMG. When I say y'all, just, yeah, really good breakfast, really good drinks. They feed you well. You know, we like a nice sized plate. Really good food. And you're gonna wait though, okay? Because especially on Sundays, Saturdays too be pretty lit. But I love it. I love the atmosphere. Like I said, the food, the drinks, really, really, really good, okay? So Folk Art and Another Broken Egg in Atlanta. Those are my couple of my favorite breakfast places. And if I'm not mistaken, both of them serve breakfast all day. So anyhow, get out, spend time with yourself, okay? You can do that, it's okay. People sit at the bar, and you know, if you're by yourself, just as a side note, but if you got, you know, a couple friends, one or two, whatever, family, do that as well. Just be sure to get out. Don't let, you know, the days go by. Nothing is guaranteed. Tomorrow is definitely not. And get out. Don't miss it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today. Grabbing me some breakfast. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. So yes, y'all get out, enjoy, do something for yourselves, have a good time. Remember to let your hair down. Again, no day is promised, okay? So don't miss it. And I just had to take a minute and definitely shout out Folk Art. Yummy, yummy. Again, prices are good. Drinks are wonderful. I'm not eating in today, but drinks are really, really good. And food is on point. Atmosphere is very nice. It's a lit little happening spot. They still doing the social distancing, all of that, you know, so you still got to do that. Obviously, mask on, can barely breathe in this damn thing, but you know, you got to do it, right? And life goes on for some of us, okay? So with that blessing, get out, do something for yourselves, spend time with family, spend time with friends, spend time with yourself, okay? You can do that. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't be ashamed to step out by yourself. Don't be afraid to step out by yourself. Sit at the bar, you know what I mean? Get you a corner spot if you bothered by the crowd or something like that, you know what I mean? But get out. Sit out on the patio, get out on the deck, whatever. Enjoy you a nice plate, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, what have you, you know, get a snack, get an appetizer for all that. Come on now, you know what I mean? Enjoy yourself a good lemonade, you know, they have, what is it, a strawberry lemonade. Ooh, y'all, with real strawberries. Oh, it is ridiculously yummy. Do that. Yeah, there's lots to do, okay? And, but for sure, get out, don't miss it, spend time, let your hair down, take a break, walk away from it. It'll be there when you get back. I assure you, it will be there when you get back. So It is another wonderful weekend. The sun is bright. I'm at Folk Art. I don't see the sign. I think it's over in the front. Okay, I'm not gonna walk back over there. It's a nice little line. I'm gonna stay out of the way. Anyway, I'm waiting on my plate. Y'all enjoy. Stay blessed. I hope you're having a wonderful one. I hope y'all are doing okay. Leave a comment if you've ever heard of folk art, another broken egg. Leave a comment. If you think you'll stop by Atlanta sometime in your near future, you know some other good places to eat, hit me up, leave a comment. Definitely share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know, get them notifications, do all that good stuff. Hit like. Don't just peruse through. Just tap the button, y'all. It takes a few seconds. And definitely the subscribers, you know, y'all know where that's leading to, you know. So the more the better. Come on now. So do that for a sister. I could use your help. But y'all stay blessed. Don't forget to ask your questions. You know, you got concerns. You want somebody to give you that info. I got you. But again, today is another wonderful day. I'm blessed to be here. God is good. Y'all enjoy. And again, do something for yourselves, okay? You're worth it. Thank you for tuning in. It's Twana Yvette. Y'all, it's beautiful out here. And stay blessed. Until next time.